Hello guys, today we are going to create a menu bar using the Bootstrap 5. So this is a part of our website. You already know we are going to create a step-by-step a responsive website. Everyone know that complete responsive website is the most popular, that is displayed our information properly to look at the page or file that the user requires. So now guys, this is the amazing tutorial. We are going to create a responsive website but using a step-by-step method strategies different. So we are going to create today a responsive website menu bar. Okay. So see the complete tricks which I get the Bootstrap 5 from the different sources and how can I use all these files in our process. So let's begin. I'm using the Visual Code Editor. You can easily download it from Google. Mentioned here, there the Visual Studio Code and then easily download it. Okay. Now move on. After that, first of all, we are going to add the Bootstrap link. If you have two options, if you want to take live or the online, and the another option you can download these Bootstrap files. So I'm gonna take, okay, if you want to download it, then you go to the home and click here the download, and the relevant files CSS and JS automatically download in your system. And if you don't want to download it, then go to introduction tab and scrolling down. Here is the CSS. Then copy it from here and come back to VS Code and then paste here. Same like that, you go for the JSS again, come down on the JSS, copy it, then again just click copy on the clipboard from the JS and back to VS Code and then again paste here for the JS. Okay. Now they both are the bootstrapping file, they are the online file, and if you want to download it, and then I told you how to download this file. Okay. After that, I want to take another file creating .css index name, and I just wanna make a link from here at this file. Link abstraction index.css relation style sheet. Now I close it. Now this way I attach both the files index as well as index.css. Move on. First of all, today we are going to learn how to make a navigation bar responsive in using a responsive Bootstrap 5. So now click on here, make a section, a head, then click on the section like that, scrolling down on the bottom. So now at the time I get navigation bar. So come back again, component, scrolling down. Now here is the nav bar. It's totally up to you what type of style you want to apply on the navigation. So I'm selecting, scrolling down like that. I copy it from here and then again back to our VS Code and then simply paste it. Same like that, save all and run it. On your browser. Check about the preview. Looks like that. It's responsive. Now you can see easily the scrolling or the toggle, so it is working on it as well. Same like that, here is the disable button. Oh, okay. Now, one more thing is that if you see the name bar, if you want to apply here some logo of your company as well as, and if you want to give here the combination logo, it's totally up to you if you want to apply. So, time to time, I tell you how can you apply here image as well as if you want to add it down different types of options, so you can easily. So now move on. VS Code. Same like that. Here is the disable navigation bar, then I can remove it from here like that, and I copy this navigation, same like that, and paste it. Now I just wanna change. Okay, now here is the home, features, pricing. I just name here on categories. And re-edit navigation pan. Stay connect with me. I define you how to create the responsive website step by step. So don't forget to watch my next tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will learn about this how to make a slider in a responsive way, uh, or how to apply logo on your image and how to design logo as well. I also, inshallah, I also define you creating the logo. Okay, now fine. Okay, now I'm go back to index.css. Now apply here the responsive color combination. So I take the name of navbar. Now I copy this class and paste it here dot navbar. Sorry, without giving any space here. Navbar like that. Okay. Now I just apply the gradient color in it. So apply on the background image, linear gradient. Okay. Now I just go here the gradient UI and search out the color gradient color and their codes. UI gradient. Totally up to you. If you design a nature website and if you design a clothing website, so you can try to select the color combination as well as don't select the dark, too much uh, odd colors. No, I copy it from the first color and go back to VS Code again and then paste here my color, put the comma, again take the next color, copy it, and again back to VS Code and then okay, fine. So both the color are here, applicable. Now save all, both the file are saved, and now apply. Reload it. Okay, let me check what the issue. Navbar. If the name are both are match, okay, no font. It's quite odd color. Okay, now I'm gonna change the navigation bar color. So what I do, I take the nav link is another name. Select here and then go back to index because I want to change the font color. So I take this class. I just write here a color. I want to apply white for the temporary basis and then put here the important theme that I want to give the preference. That's why I write here important. Now you can see. Okay. I hope you understand. Okay. Now if you want to change the name bar as well as you also put there the logo as well. So I hope you understand how to create the nav bar. Nav bar is automatically responsive. Now you can see easily. They are the responsive. I hope you all are fine. You understand what I learned today. So don't forget to like and subscribe my video and touch with me in the next class. I will be furthermore make the sliders and complete responsive website. I hope you all are great. Allah Hafiz.